Hey guys, it's Noah here. It is about 6:55 a.m. this morning, and I want to show you the noise of the draft inducer fan motor on the furnace. So here we go. So we're coming into the attic. You can tell it's pretty noisy. Gas is gonna fire up in a minute now. There goes. And like that one over there is not working, so we're having it worked on right now. A guy has to come and put a new part in, a circuit board thing or something. Yes, it's pretty noisy. There's my rigid shot vac. I just want to show you all. So if the noise is bad, just let me know. All right, see ya.